Hello everyone. I think everything is working. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm a bit more zoomed in today, I think. I might have to. I might have to zoom a little way out. That might be a bit better. We might leave it there. Hopefully the sound is okay. Zoomed in today, I think. That sounds really good. I was actually checking last week, and I did this all last week. I don't know if you remember, but interestingly enough, I thought the sound had caved in halfway through, but I don't think it actually was that. I think something else had gone wrong. So the other thing that I'm trying to get involved with, I have music in the background because obviously I'm still not in the middle of this screen. Obviously I have music on in the background just to sort of like keep things going. I'm not very happy with setup of screens or anything like that, but I'm just going for it. We literally just going for it. So hopefully now see, we have system audio on, but I don't know whether or not you can hear the system audio. I'm just going for it. Let's see. This stream's a little bit further behind. Now see, we have system audio on, but I don't know whether or not you can hear the system audio. I'm just going for it. Let's see. I'll leave it. I think it's probably picking up the sound from the screen share. That's what I think it's doing. Anyway, so let's get on because we've got lots to do. So this is Metricool that I use to schedule all my content over the month, and I actually work several weeks in advance. So you can see here that this is all this week's content sorted. This is next week's ready to go. So I'm going to load that up today. And then today, what I'm going to be working on, you can see that this is all ready to go, apart from Wednesdays, which is a Mithras Matters episode that I'm going to write and record after this. So, and then that's ready to go as well. So today's job is to take all this here and actually schedule it. Now, the first one, just to say, is that I don't think I could do this poll one because it's on the other computer, so it's not actually on this computer. So, because I'm on my iMac at the moment. But I'll check that later and get that sorted. I'm just going to stop that background noise. I don't mind it, but I think it's a bit strange if you can't hear it either. So I'll do that on the other computer later on and schedule that. I normally do it straight at the same time. So the first one, so this is going to be the 27th of March. Okay, so this is the 27th of March, and this is the title. So what I do now is that I come to my planning. We go to the 27th of March. So this is where it's going. I always publish at 6 o'clock, and that's the title in. Now I take all this and pop it in here. Now you can edit via networks and sort of like say I want this to have this, this to have this, this to have this. But if you do that, it's counted as 3 separate posts, and on the free version you are only allowed to have 50 a month. So currently 1, 2, 3, even though I'm posting to 3 sites, as long as I keep it just 1 post, I don't change anything, then it'll be absolutely fine. It'll just go to those 3 posts. I could publish it to YouTube as well, but there's various things, like I don't think monetization automatically clicks on if you publish shorts through here, and I'm not too sure whether or not it works or anything. But anyway, what I've done is that I've already uploaded it to YouTube. This is the link. And then what will happen is that I've got Zapier set up, that as soon as it's published, it will tweet it out as well. So this needs to be set to a reel, and then we need to find it. So therefore we will add a video, and we'll come here, and this should open. These are my new stickers that I'm working on. So we come into today, and it was what is the one that we're doing? Is it, I think it's cheap storage. Oh no, this is one that I've done before. So this, I need to go in a different place for this. So I'm repurposing something that I've done before. And so I need to find, it'll be a ClickUp. ClickUp everything covered. Is this it? How bad is this? Okay then, so let's just check out the video. So this is already live.
So the easiest way that
Okay then, so it's something about capturing. I don't believe that I'm making such a mess of this while everybody is watching. I should have been more prepared. Right, at least I know I'm going in the right direction. So I tried to, the different colored dots was something that I tried to do. So this is everything covered, so it's not that. I think it's something to do with capturing ClickUp. So that's everything. Don't lose anything. I keep looking in this one, but I know it's not actually that one. In a second, I'm just going to cut my losses and just download it straight. This was all part of a really specific coding system that I set up, but as you can see, it's not really working. See, it could be that it's actually, I've probably made a short. Okay, let's go. Let's cancel that. Let's do the sensible thing here. You're going to have a sneaky peek at all my YouTubes. Let's have a look. I think it'll still be visibility. If we look at private, if we filter it via private, it's probably all there, and we'd probably be able, oh, here it is. This is the one that we want. And I thought I could download it from here. Let's go back one. If not, I'll have to options, download. There we go. Chink. So this is, I can do this while I'm here. So this needs to be scheduled for the 27th, and I schedule it at 17:30. So that's when it'll go live, and then what we'll do from there is pick it up in here. Don't lose anything. There it is. That's done and dusted. So that's all set up. Oh no, what's this saying? It doesn't like it. Okay, so this is a classic example now. So look, ClickUp says it can only have, TikTok is saying that it can only have a maximum of 150 characters. Okay, so that 150 characters is only via uploading via the UDI, the API, sorry. So what I'm going to do is take it off there so it doesn't auto publish. But then here, remember to publish to TikTok. Okay, so what will happen now is that we need to take that off. We can't do it there. So what will happen, it will prompt me to do it to Instagram. And then once I Instagram it, I'll cut it, copy it across to, because it will download onto my mobile device, and then I can upload it to TikTok. Whew, that was a long one just for the first. The first, oh, I just don't believe it's just taken us that long to do the first one. So this is now all scheduled. That's scheduled. So I can click schedule there, and we go on to the next one. What meme cat am I? Okay then, so we can copy over. So I used to have the title up here and then everything else down here. What I'm trying to do is just to reproduce the title underneath as well, so I can just cut and paste the whole lot. So this is Tuesday, 6 o'clock on Tuesday. So let's see what this can do. We don't actually need that. This is a video, and it's what meme cat am I? I really need to sit down and sort out all my everything that I'm doing again, because where is it? I must have transferred it already over here. Please make my cat famous. It's not that. Oh, do you know, honestly, I have done this. This is just turning into an absolute nightmare. where is all this content that I produced, that I have created? It's telling me that I've created it. Oh, cat meme, here it is. Yes. But so this is the final one, so we'll upload that. I don't think here it is. Here's the cat meme on here. So this needs to be scheduled for the 28th. One of the things that I think is really good for these sort of videos is sometimes you just think that everybody does things automatically. So I think it's really good for you to see that things don't sometimes work, etc. So that's all done. That are busy uploading. I do think it's really positive, you know, that I show you this, because otherwise I think we're in danger of just sort of like publishing content that we you know, people actually think it just goes ahead and doesn't, it just goes all by itself, and that's not the case at all. So I'm going to download this. So this next one here, this is actually just a blog post. So this is a blog post that I did a while back, last week. So I wrote it, and so it's all ready to go. Oops. So on to here. Now obviously this can go as a post. It can't go to TikTok, but it can go to Twitter. So now we can delete this, so we get it into the actual add the image, which is just appeared in my download. I know. There it is. Chunk. And then that, I need to add an alt text. Screenshot from the Roll20 game. There you go. Auto publish. That's all done, and save. So that one was quite an easy one. That went uneventfully. Next we've got, so when did that, 29th of March. So what I have to do now is that I have to go into my blog. So this is my blog. This is my web page, inwheels.co.uk. I will just log into this, and then I have to schedule that post to go at the right time as well. So it's just sort of like I have to, because I can't do it, so I have to sort of like prepare a week's content and then schedule it all. I can't sort of like do it a bit at a time. So this needs to be 29th of March. That needs a 0 and that needs 05. Yeah, and that should, I don't know why it's saying saying 6:30 there. Why is it saying 6:30? Oh, hang on a minute, because the clocks go forward. Yeah, so it's thinking ahead and saying the clocks will have gone forward by then. So that's all done and dusted. Oops, wrong way. So yeah, so this is the next one. This is just an old video. I'm trying to increase some of my content creation because I just feel that I'm not really going anywhere with lots of things at the moment. Let's just see if we can find a see if we can find I'm just looking for a random a picture that I can sort of like click it on so it can be actually, oh, I don't like that, that looks awful. I think we might just go with that one. Instagram needs alt text. We need to add this one. That's good. Is that alt text done? Yeah. Post. Save. So that's done. But I always go the wrong way. Scheduled that, and this one is scheduled, and then we've just got one more to do. So this is I need all that. The bit below is everything that I was using for the script, so I don't need that in it. But let's hope I can find the video this time. Content 2003. Right, so this one needs to go to have a purple because I've scheduled it. Sound filters. This is the one I want. I've also started to put final next to everything because I was losing so many things, not knowing where it was coming from. So that's that. What's this going out? 30th. YouTube, you need to improve. Adding. Right, so this is the one that needs to be scheduled. 31st at 17:30. Schedule that, so that will schedule and automatically go to Twitter, so that can come off. That could be changed to real, that could be changed to real, that could be popped on. Okay, this is telling me that I can't publish it because I can't auto publish it. So this is okay, remember to publish to TikTok. So this is the same issue as before, in the same that there's not enough words. There's only 150 words, so I don't want to do that. I want to do more. So we'll just have to improvise. The annoying thing is, if I go there, can you see it doesn't allow me to publish it? I can't publish it at all, which is a little bit of an issue. Now, if I had a full version, a pro version of Metricool, then I would edit I'm not too sure of the Metricool pricing. Pricing. Here we go. So I'm on this one, so it's just 50 posts per month. So on this one, for £10 a month, okay, there's various things. So first of all, it says management of 5 brands with all social. Well, that doesn't matter to me because I'm just I'm allowed to post it LinkedIn, but I don't think my content is suitable for LinkedIn. 2,000 posts a month, which would be lovely. I don't want to analyze. I don't want reports. I don't really need multiple links in my bio, and I've already got that. So I would literally be paying £10 a month for 2,000 posts per month, and I can't justify that at the moment. I just can't. So that's not going to happen. But Metricool, if you would like to sponsor me, then I'm here. So that could be saved. So the other thing that I was thinking before I came on today is that I really this setup is not perfect at all. There's so much that needs to be done with it. But I also thought, I often tell people, if you're waiting for perfection, you'll never get there. The best thing to do is just to start to stream, start to engage with people, and then see where it goes. And my content has changed so many times during the past year, over a year that I've been doing it, and I'm still sort of like thinking, do I need to refine it? So for example, rather than publishing my organization ones, I publish everywhere. Should I only be doing that on Instagram and YouTube? I'll always do YouTube. Instagram, because Instagram, I want to be known as somebody who gets things done, tactics, tricks, program reviews, things like that. Or should I just post it everywhere and then just hope that, it's picked up? My initial idea is that, so I have sort of like various areas that you can see. This is scheduled. It's just waiting for the video to upload, so that could go to scheduled. So you can see here that I have things like getting organized, RPG content, successful streaming, and then personal is just sort of like personal things like photographs or blog posts that are not to do with anything else. And I'm sort of like thinking many of these can actually come into getting organized. For example, I have here something known as, see, which cat am I? That's just like a random post. But here, this is my YouTube You Need to Improve run. So that could actually come into getting organized. It could actually sit in there rather than a personal one. And I want to do another one, a comparison between Adobe Express and Canva, and sort of like I'm going to set it up so there are a series of shorts, but then a video at the end, or both like that. I'll probably do the full video and then separate it out into shorts as well. So could that actually be housed under getting organized, or producing content? Maybe that's what that should be saying. So, but then I was just thinking, so generally when I'm producing a week's content, then Monday so this is this week's. Monday's productivity, Tuesday's personal, Wednesday's RPG, Thursday's a random one, and then Friday's a successful streaming. And I was just sort of like thinking, can this be renamed to something, and to get in productivity as well, and maybe going here and maybe doing a different one for RPG content and things like that, and just sort of like almost like double up on some of the things and to get more content out. But because I've got 3, then I can't produce double the amount of content. I really can't do that unless I look at it. I was watching a video that was basically talking about this idea of producing a huge amount of videos in 24 hours, and maybe I could do something like that. This camera just needs to come over a bit. I think that's better. You know, I could do something like that that would make it easier, but it's a nightmare. I never know where I'm going. So anyway, those two are scheduled. I think this perfect pricing one is but I think it's here. Yes, so that's all, and my new YouTube, you need to be improved. That's all there and done and dusted. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff to go there. I think I've also is it on this one? On this is the one that has the date and form on, but I don't think I need this now because I've got it here. So I don't think I need these two at all. So in the columns, I can just sort of like say, right, we don't need that one, and we don't need that one, because I have the days here, and I have what it is here in these tags. So I've got all of that there as well. So I've still got this poll to sort out and up to sort that, but that's on my other computer. But hopefully you can see that's what I do every Monday. It's one of my first jobs. So now on today's, this is ClickUp, if you're wondering. So today, this is my today task. So that poll has, with the question, that's already been done, so I can click that off, and then this will stay in the today all week as I do this. That's what I need to do. These are all the things that I'm working on that I need to do, so I'm sort of like catching up. That's done. This one we didn't do an actual play, so that's gone. And of course you can look at it from this view as well, if you wish. I just like having all today's there, and some of these down here I might readdress and put somewhere else. Okay, yeah, that's it from me. Just a nice quick one. I hope everything has gone according to plan and I can use this. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some ideas about what I'm doing all the time and how I'm actually catching up on things, and hopefully given you this idea that, you know, it just doesn't happen by accident. There's a huge amount of work that goes into it. So yeah, brilliant. I will hopefully see you next Monday. I don't know what I'll be doing in the behind the scenes, but thank you to anybody who's come along and being in the chat. I really do appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you all next time, and I will switch to the outro scene. See you soon. See ya. Bye.